All right, so just started up Genzilla Supercharged. Let's go into eco mode so I can save some gas while I'm sitting here. So what I want to do is I want to call my guy Doug at my power broker here in New York and just check with him just to see if direct connection is ready to go. If I can order this pre-stage kit, which is the first stage that I have to put on this car to be able to get this engine upgraded. So let's just see. Supposedly they said everything is open. I find it hard to believe. I'm going to see right now. Speed week is over, roadkill nights is over, and they announced everything should be open and ready to go. Let's see how true that is. So we're gonna call him right now.
Recorded for quality assurance. This call may be recorded and monitored for quality assurance. To speak with your service advisor, press 1. To make an appointment or to speak to a customer service rep, please press 2. For roadside assistance or for
Good afternoon, Westbridge Jeep Service. How can I help you?
Hi, is Doug there?
Let's see where Doug is. I'll switch you over. Hold on.
Oh, okay, love this.
Westbridge Jeep, Doug speaking.
Hey Doug, how you doing, man?
I am well. Yourself?
Good, Doug. So I spoke to you back on August 4th of this month, a few weeks ago, about my Hellcat, about this direct connection. You had told me you had just had a meeting with Dodge, and you wanted to see what was going on, why they didn't have the parts available. Supposedly, they're saying that everything is open and ready to go. The catalog is ready to go. So do you have that information?
I could look for you. They haven't sent me any new information as of yet.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing that I heard is that some stuff was coming on a back order that we were still waiting on the supplier. At that point.
Okay, because like I said, the parts that the parts that you were telling me last time that you didn't have to be able to start to upgrade people's engines with the the pre-stage kits, the stage 1 and stage 2 kits for the Hellcats and Scat Packs or 392s. You were telling me you didn't have anything, so you said something may be coming in as far as parts.
Well, some of the body kits we've been waiting on. I still haven't heard anything on the stage kits.
Yeah, I figured. All right, because is there a way, Doug, I can get put on the list so when it does become available, I can be one of the first ones to get that pre-stage kit? Because I got a feeling they're gonna go, they're gonna be sold out pretty quick.
Absolutely. Let me take down your contact info.
Okay.
What's your name?
So Michael is my first name. And my last name is.
And a good phone number for you.
347.
And what kind of car do you have?
It's a 2020 Charger Daytona Hellcat.
2020 Daytona. Alright, awesome. That way I can kind of look it up, you know what I mean, before I give you a call and kind of have all the information ready to go. Yeah,
so, I got the list that shows the actual pre-stage, the pre-stage kits. Some of them are, under development, so, maybe, I don't know if you have any, I don't know if you had an email address, maybe I can send you stuff like that, or, I don't know how we would do it so you can see what I'm seeing, but.
Yeah, sure, absolutely.
Yeah, so, all right.
Would you like my email address?
Yeah, let me just get to a place where I can put it down. Okay, so what's your email address?
It's D Holler, so it's D as in Doug,
HOLLER.com. Okay, so that's D Holler. So David.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll email you what I have. We can contact. I will stay in contact by email, so it's just easier. So but when you see me, I'll let you know it's me. So I'll put it in the subject matter.
Perfect. I'm gonna put your info that you gave me right now with that email, and I'm gonna hold on to it.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so I'll send you the picture of what I have, Doug, and we can just communicate like that, so you can kind of have an idea of what these what these kits are supposed to look like for each car. They have it based on year and car, as far as Challenger or Charger, and they'll have like pre-stage kit for a particular year, how much power it'll get you to, and the next, the stage 1 kit, how much power that will get you to. They've already kind of put out a list, but it's not, finished. It's like some of the actual pre-stage kits are still under development.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right, Doug, I appreciate you, man.
All right, you got it, sir.
All right, man, have a good one.
Thank you, you too.
All right, bye. All right, so I knew it. There you go. Still nothing. All right, so that's my actual local power broker, and he has absolutely nothing to say or to show, and direct connection is ready to go. So I don't know. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew when this guy said that it was fully open and ready to go, I knew that was not the case. I waited. All right, I waited for another week just to see if maybe that would help. It would be true, but still nothing. So I'm gonna be staying in contact with Doug, and I'll keep you guys apprised. But as of now, everybody who's waiting for direct connection, unless you can find out something before me, leave it in the comments, DM me on Instagram. Most of my guys, everybody knows, yes, this is a Hellcat channel. I've had my Hellcat for 2.5 years, but before this, for 3 years, I had a Daytona 392. So anything I find out for 392 people, Scat Pack people, Daytona 392 people, it does not matter. I'll still relay that information. But of course, I'm trying to put out Hellcat content first, because that's what this is, a Hellcat channel, since that's the car that I own right now. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I don't know. Like I said, guys, let me know in the comments if you find out anything first. But as of now, direct connection is still not ready to go.